Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am taking C++ class regarding introduction. Okay. My name is Rizwan and I am a computer faculty of Micropark Computer Center, Tumkur. Okay. Now, in the previous video clip, I explained regarding introduction and regarding this house concept. Okay. Now today what I will do, I will show you regarding how to what are the declaration to be done. Okay. To write a program in C++. Okay. First what I will do, I will say hash. Okay. Here hash is called as what? Hash is called as predefined processor. Okay. Predefined processor or preprocessor directory. Okay. Always in C and C++ programming language, first you have to start with hash. Okay. This is called hash tag. Okay. Then we say hash include. Okay. Hash include. Here we say IOString. In C++ we say IOString. .h. Okay. .h. Okay. Actually, what is the meaning of IOStream? Okay. In IOStream, IO stands for what? IO stands for input output operations. Okay. Input output operations. Okay. And .h stands for what? .h stands for header file. Okay. In IO stands for input output operations. .h stands for header file. Actually, what is the meaning of string? String stands for flow of characters in form of bytes. Okay. String is a set of characters. String is a set of characters in form of bytes. Okay. Characters in form of bytes. Okay. Where the data is stored. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay. And what is the meaning of .h? .h stands for header file. Now, suppose if you want to begin with the C++ program, first we say hash include. Okay. Let's say hash include. We say IOStream.h. Okay. Then what we say? We say main function. Okay. Always, if you want to start up with the program, we start up with the main function. Okay. Then open the curly braces. Then what we do? We declare all the variables, functions. Okay. What are the things to be declared? We declare. Or suppose if you want to print a statement. If you want to print a statement in C++, what we say? We say cout. Okay. Cout is called as object. Objects. Which are coming under which class? IOStream. Okay. Which is coming under which class? IOStream class. Okay. Like that, cout is a object. Okay. Now, if you want to print a statement, we call for what? Cout. Suppose you will say welcome to C++. Let's say welcome to C++. Okay. Then what we do? We say semicolon. Semicolon stands for what? Termination of line. Okay. Or we have one more. Suppose you have one keyword called endline. ENDL. ENDL stands for endline. Okay. Actually, what is the meaning of endline? In C we say backslash n. Okay. Like that in C++ we say endline. Endline means if you want new line. Okay. Now see, I'll say cout. I'll say hello. Okay. Again inverted comma. Then I'll say what? ENDL. Like that, keep on giving. Okay. Again I'll say cout. Okay. I'll say hello. I'll say ENDL. Then if you want to close the program, we say this one. Okay. Now these are called as what? See, these are called as shift operators. Okay. These are called as shift operators, which we are using in C++. Okay. Okay. And these are called as what? Shift operators. And it is also called as left shift. Okay. Left shift and right shift operators. right shift operators. Okay, right shift operators. Okay, these are the main things which you have to remember: left shift and right shift operators. Okay, in for Cout we use what? For Cout we use this symbol. For C we use this run symbol. Okay, like that. We are using shift operators for different types of different types of statements. Okay, and this program what is doing, just is printing the statement in multiple lines. Okay. Now suppose in the next program what we do, suppose if you want to read the values, we want an object called cin. Okay, cin is for what? Cin is for reading the values from the input. Cin is object. Cin is a object for reading the values from the input. Okay, understood? Like that we have Cout, Cin. Okay, like that. In C++ we don't have any format specifiers like %d, %c. Okay, we don't have any format specifier in C++. Okay, and in C++. Each information is stored in form of bytes. Okay, like that. And what are the basic things which are done in C? Same thing repeated in C++, like loops, while conditions. We have loops, then if statement. These things are repeated. Okay, and what are the extra things added in C++? That is, I told, object oriented. Okay, C++ is a object oriented programming language. Correct? Okay. Now, actually, in the previous session, I told regarding what are the features of object oriented, and I told what is class, what is object. Okay, these things I told. And in this one more we have in object oriented, that is called as what? Access specifiers. Okay, or you can say class specifiers. Actually, what are they? See, these are declared inside the class. Example, suppose if I say class followed by some class name. Okay, then let's say what? Okay, I declare with public. See, public is a specifier. Then I declare with some variable. Suppose if I say int employee number. Okay, I'll say, then I'll say char employee name. Then I'll say size. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll close the bracket. Then semicolon. Then I'll call the main function. Now see, now here what you are calling class with the object. Okay, then I am closing the main function. Actually, what is the use of this class specifier means, I am declaring public. Why means, whatever the variables which are called inside the class, I can call to the main function. Okay, that is called public. Public means whatever the properties which are declared inside the class can be called outside the class. Okay, but if I declared as private, what will happen? In private, whatever the data types which are declared in the private, it cannot be called outside the class. I have to use within the class. Okay, those are called public and private. Okay, and here what I will do, here are written as types of class specifiers. Okay, what are they? Private, then public, then protected. Okay, private, public and protected, these are called class specifier. In private, data members cannot be accessed what? Outside the class. Understood? Whereas in public specifiers, the data members are functions. Data members are functions can be accessed outside the class. Okay. In public specifiers, the data members are functions. Okay, is the important thing which you have to remember in all the object-oriented languages. Okay, the data member functions can be accessed, can be accessed outside the class. Okay, outside the class. So these are the main thing you have to remember. Coming to what is protected. See, in protected, what is happening? Data members can be kept as okay, common, okay, which can be called, for all the other derived classes. Understood? That is called protected. Okay, the data which can be kept as common and which can be called for all the other derived classes. Okay. Okay. One thing. Okay. Now this is regarding private, public, and protected. Okay. Today I stop the class. Okay. In the next class I will continue the next concept. Okay. Thank you.